Are you curious about earning crypto airdrops while having fun all right on your phone? In this ultimate guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to mine and play Blum on Telegram. By the end, you'll know how to start earning real crypto rewards and make the most out of every feature. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to find the Blum bot on Telegram. So open your Telegram app and tap on that little search bar at the top. Type in @Blum Crypto Bot, that's all one word. You're looking for the official Blum bot, so just make sure you see the right logo and description before moving ahead. Finding the right bot is key because there are a lot of imitators and phishing bots out there. Take a moment to double check you've got the real one. Security is always step one in the crypto world. Once you're in the right chat, go ahead and tap Start. This wakes up the mini app and the bot will send you a greeting message with the main menu. It's kind of like entering a digital game arcade, and this step basically opens the door to all the features we'll use. Don't worry if there's a lot going on, that's exactly what we're about to explore together. Now, to actually receive your airdrop rewards, you'll need to connect a wallet that supports tons such as Tonkeeper or OpenMask. Head over to the wallet section in the bot. There will usually be a button or a quick link. This might sound techy if you're new, but connecting your wallet is just linking an account so future rewards go straight to you. It's a vital step. Think of it like writing your name on your arcade tickets so nobody else claims your prize. Follow the prompts carefully, and remember, don't share your private key or seed phrase with anyone here. You only need to approve the connection. Alright, with your wallet connected, let's start earning those Blum points. In the main menu, look first to activate it. This feature allows you to earn points automatically over time, even when you're not actively playing. Pretty neat, right? You'll want to check back every 8 hours, though, because the farming session needs to be restarted to keep those points rolling in. Set a reminder if you have to. It's a little like tending your crops in a farm game. Come back often to harvest your rewards. Besides passive farming, you can also play the drop game. It's a daily chance to win even more points and get a bit of excitement. Each day you get a chance to participate, and if you want more spins, invite friends or complete special tasks the bot suggests. Think of the drop game as a bonus round. Sometimes luck is on your side, and the more you interact, the more rewards you rack up. Don't forget to check the Earn or Tasks section as well. This is where you'll find extra daily assignments, maybe following their socials, sharing a post, or something simple that takes a minute. Completing these is one of the easiest ways to stack up more Blum points, and you might uncover new features as you play. If you're feeling social, sharing your unique referral link is a great way to unlock extra spins and get bonus airdrop rewards. Every friend who joins using your link boosts your progress. It's a win-win and a fun way to get your crew involved too. For those who want to dive even deeper, check out the trading bot and memopad features built into the Blum mini app. You can experiment with trading or create your own custom meme tokens, perfect for anyone who wants to explore the wider world of crypto beyond just farming. And that wraps up our walkthrough. I hope you're ready to start mining and earning with Blum on Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, please tap that like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy earning.